परफेक्ट टाइम रे पहुँचते हाँ
जनर के चेक
सहना भवतु सहनं भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु शान्तिः। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Honored guests, dear parents, teachers, and our teenage dreamers.
Namaskar. Good evening to all. I am Asta Jena, a teacher of Empower Public School. Welcome you to this auspicious occasion that every child takes little steps today to achieve big dreams tomorrow.
Our theme for this evening is Little Steps, Big Dreams. Because every big achievement starts with a small, confident steps, sometimes even 10 steps. Every child begins with little steps, but within those steps are big dreams. Today's program celebrates that innocence, talent, and confidence of our young learners. Welcome to today's celebration on the theme Little Steps and Big Dreams.
स्वागतम सुस्वागतम आपण मानकु सही मंच को स्वागत जनाउछि जेउ मंच रे कुनी कुनी कलाकार माने स्वप्न देखती और स्वप्न को साकार करने को चेष्टा करन।
Every journey needs a beginning.
Now I would like to invite Miss Swarnalata Madam for the introductory speech.
मुख्य अतिथि सम्मानित गणमान्य व्यक्तिवर्ग प्रिय अभिभावक वृंद सम्मानित शिक्षक मंडली एवं मोर प्रिय पिला माने आपण मानकु समस्तंकु संध्यार शुभेच्छा। आज एम्पावर पब्लिक स्कूल रो वार्षिक उत्सव अवसर रे आपण मानकु स्वागत करिबा पई अत्यंत आनंदर कथा। आज दिनटी आम समस्तंक पई विशेष कारण आम एकाठी होई शिक्षा सृजनशीलता एवं विकास को उत्सव भावे पालन करुछु। आम वार्षिक उत्सवर थीम हेउची छोट पदक्षेप बड़ स्वप्न। एही थीम आम पिलामानंक यात्रा को सुंदर भावे प्रतिबिंबित करे। प्रत्येक शिशु जेतेबेले आम विद्यालय रे पदार्पण करे से छोट छोट पदक्षेप आरंभ करे। कथा कहवा गीत गाइबा चित्र आंकिबा और नृत्य करबा शिखे। प्रेम यत्न और मार्गदर्शन सहित यही छोट पदक्षेप गुड़िक धीरे धीरे बड़ स्वप्न और उज्जवल भविष्य रे परिणत हुए। एम्पावर पब्लिक स्कूल रे आमे दृढ़ भावे विश्वास करूछु जे शिक्षा केवल पुस्तक और परीक्षा परिसीमित नुहे। एहा आत्मविश्वास चरित्र मूल्यबोध और सृजनशीलता गढ़ी तोलिबार एक प्रक्रिया। आजिर कार्यक्रम एही विश्वास स्पष्ट प्रतिफलन गीत नृत्य नाटिका और विभिन्न प्रदर्शनी माध्यम रे आम पिला माने सारा वर्ष धरी अर्जित करिथिबा प्रतिभा और आत्मविश्वास को प्रदर्शन करिवे। आम समर्पित शिक्षक मंडली अविरत प्रयास और युवा मन को पालन करिबार तांकर निष्ठा एवं आम अभिभावक मानकर आस्था और उत्साह वर्धन बिना एही यात्रा संभव होई नथांता। गणमान्य व्यक्तिवर्ग उपस्थिति रे आमे गंभीर सम्मानित तांकर मार्गदर्शन और आशीर्वाद आमको आगक आहुरी उत्कृष्टतार दिगरे आगे नेबाकू प्रेरणा देइथाए। मु समस्त को अनुरोध करूछि जे आपण मानकर हस और ताली सहित आम पिला मानकू उत्साहित करंतु, कारण तांको पाई एही मंत्र हेउछि तांकर स्वप्न प्रति एक बड़ पदक्षेप। एही कथा सहित मु पुनर्बार आपण मानक समस्त को स्वागत करूछि एवं आशा करूछि जे छोट पदक्षेप बड़ स्वप्न रे भरिथिबा एही आनंदमय संध्या को आपण माने उपभोग करिवे। धन्यवाद। आपण मानक एक सुंदर संध्यार शुभेच्छा।
Thank you.
Dreams grow stronger when guided by inspiring people.
Now I would like to invite Miss Bhumika Madam.
Respected chief guests, honored dignitaries, dear parents, teachers, and my dear friends, good evening. It is a proud and joyful moment for us to warmly welcome our respected chief guests and honored guests. Sri Ishan Chandra Omkar sir, chief guest from chief speaker, Srimati Rasmita Samoy, CICC Education Department, Sir P. Sivakumar sir, Education Department, Sri Tarika Patra sir, BO Office Gosari, Sri Susar Samar sir, ex-servicemen, Bharatiya Vayu Sena and Sri Srimati Sarmila Samal ma'am. Your gracious presence has added great value to this special occasion for our children, teachers, parents alike. On behalf of management, staff and students of Empower Public School, I extend a heartfelt warm welcome to our respected chief guests and dignitaries. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your
Lighting the lamp is the first step towards
परम ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दना दीपं ज्योति हरते वेशबुद्धि विनाशाय आत्मज्योति नमस्तुते आत्मज्योति प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्मज्योति। सूर्यकोटि समप्रभः निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवं सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ॐ अस्योतो मां सद्गमय तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय मूर्तिर्माम् अमृतं गमय। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धितं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिवं बध्नात्। नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थितः नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै। ओम सर्वमंगलमंगले शिवे सर्वदा साधिके शरणे त्र्यंबिके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। ओम पृथ्वी शांति रपः शांति रोषधाय शांति वरुण शांति शांति। धन्यवाद। शांति शांति।
नम कर गोड़ कर नम कर से लगे दियो लगे गोड़ से नम कर प्लेट धरिक आस गोटे खोल देना गोटे खोल बच्चा दिया
Everybody give big round of applause. Coffee and
Wow, what a lovely performance. I think we all enjoyed. Give a big round of applause.
now comes the smallest feet with biggest smile.
Let's welcome our nursery students.
तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी।
విచ్చేసినటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి శుభ సంధ్యాకాలం. మీ అందరి ఆశీర్వాదం వలన, మీ అందరి సహకారం వలన మేము ఈరోజు ఈ యొక్క కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వర్తిస్తున్నాం. ఎల్లప్పుడూ మీ యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం, మీ సహకారం మాపై ఉండాలని మరీ మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. Sometimes one child on stage shows great confidence. నృత్యం వినోదం కాకుండా భక్తి శక్తిని వ్యక్తపరిచే ఒక కళ. వరాహ రూప అనే ఈ తెలుగు గీతం ఒకసారి మీ కర్తాల ధ్వనులతో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి గట్టిగా పడుకోండి. సూపర్ సూపర్ సూపర్.
So I request
Dreams become stronger when inspired by great gods.
So I request Sri Omkar sir to share some inspiring words to bless our children on their journey of dreams.
Hello. Good evening to all. Samasthanku namaskar. Andariki namaskaram. So today is a very auspicious day for all of us. Ambala Public School is celebrating its annual day today. And students, teachers and my parents, and then people and others who have come to this place, I welcome all of them to today's event. So, respected guests on the dais, respected teacher, and all the dignitaries who are present here, my dear students. So I welcome all of them to today's event. So it is a highly honored to be a small part of this great evening. I was also invited a few years ago as the guest. I witnessed all the programs, all the events, and I was so happy that the students here are so intelligent, and this showed their intelligence in form of dance, music, songs, and it was proved that the students are here very intelligent. The teachers are also very intelligent. And above all, the managing director of the school is highly intelligent. And this year, he has given the theme that little steps and big bets. And as I would like to say something about the managing director of the school first, then I will come to other things now. First, he had a dream that he would run the school in this rural area. So please give me a little time. Please, be silent. Let me give my little speech. Okay, I will come down, no problem. So, the managing director of the school had a little dream, and because of his management skills, because of his intelligence, and he has made the school, and he has led the school up to this, and because of his understanding his labor, and this school has stood like this. And actually, as I would like to thank very much to him for his own efforts to give good education, best education to the local children of this village. And this journey has not been so easy. No, any if you can take any big thing, so to achieve that big thing is not so easy. And you have to go through different stages, different efforts. Many times you may come across so many difficulties, ups and downs, hardships. It's not so easy. But he is the man, and I have seen him in my office several times. And when he comes to my chair, and he also has some chit-chats with me. So actually I like that person and his personality. You know, in Corona time, what happened? The whole world came to a standstill. No business ran. Nobody was seen outside, and every kind of establishment came to the standstill. You know, the kind of environment there was so bad. So you cannot have the words to describe the situation. Every kind of establishment came to end. You know, and he was also very much disturbed what to do and what not to do. Because the school was running smoothly, suddenly something happened and it was also stopped. And he has risen from the ashes. And he came down to zero, again he rose. Because success is not something outside. Success comes from the inside. If you are not successful inside, you cannot show success outside. Because he was so resilient that he came back to life again. And because of him, today you see the gathering, and because of him, this school has become successful. Thank you. So children, be silent for some time. So I am coming to children, how to read and how to dream and how to be successful in their examination. We read but we cannot remember. So it's very common, everybody's issue. It is everybody's issue. Students read but they cannot remember. Am I wrong? Many times this happens. Please, give me a little time. Okay, this point is very important to understand, especially for the teachers and also for the students. So, how to remember the things is a very important thing. See, in life, we remember so many events. Something happened and that goes into our memory. Even after years, if the same situation is asked, then you can express the situation very vividly. And how this happens? But sometimes it so happens that you prepare well for your examination, but so when you come to the examination hall, when the questions, you see the questions, you have good preparation, but you are not able to write there. So what is the reason of forgetting and how to remember? You see, something bad happened in your life. You take one example. You had a fight with someone, or you had some accident, and you remember that until you die, till your death. So whenever somebody asks you to narrate that incident, you can vividly start narrating that incident. But you remember that perfectly. How this is possible? Because you were in that moment. You were alive in that moment. You did not see the past, you did not see the future. You were in that moment, particular moment, so that you did not try to remember that, but that went into and shut inside your brain, inside your mind. And whenever the thing is asked, you can perfectly express that. But so far as reading is concerned, students forget things. How? Because you see, when we read, what happens first? When we run our eyes on the words, on the sentences, we are physically present there, and we are also reading the words, but our mind moves somewhere else. Our mind is with another thought. No, the thought of the yesterday, or you may say that you thought of it tomorrow. Something is burning us. So that what happens, you are not totally there. When you are not totally there, you cannot understand the words, you cannot understand the concept of the words or the concept of the sentence. So that what happens, you think that you remember the things, but when the real time comes, you forget everything. So what is to be done then? When you are reading, you have to be 100% there in your book, in the words. Then only you can remember. If you are present for 10% and 90% is absent, your mind is absent for 90%, what happens? You can remember only 10%. If the questions come to examination, you can only expect 10% and 90% will go ahead, will disappear. This is the way why most students become unsuccessful. So it's my request to all the students that whenever they seek for studying, seek for reading, be totally in the each word, each sentence. You forget all about what happens around you. So if this is the thing, we can totally remember and we can write perfectly in the examination hall, and the consequences is going to be very good. If that is not there, you know the result. Because the result, we cannot go for the result. We can only be, you have to be present in the moment. If you are present in the moment, you know that you are going to be succeed in your examination, and you can also achieve score good marks. So this point has to be remembered. Every time when you cheat, you think of only book, you think of the subject, you think of each word, each sentence. If you give time to the words will automatically go into your mind and cheat there. Whenever required, you can express. If that is not there, then you know your own result. So, my request to the parents and also to the teachers that they are required to create the scientific environment inside the classroom. Because this is the age of science, this is the age of technology. So every student has to have the scientific front of mind, the scientific temperament. And it is the duty of the teachers to create that environment so that they can instill that temperament into the students. Because every country is going ahead, progressing with technology, with advanced science, and they become prosperous country. So it is also our duty to create the scientific temperament inside the classroom so that the students will be impressed. If somebody asks a student, a primary school student in Japan or in say Russia, what is your favorite choice? A small student, second standard student, maybe third standard student. If somebody, maybe school inspector goes there and asks that small child, so what is your favorite choice? He or she will suddenly say that I want to be an astronaut. So I want to be a space scientist. So I want to build a house in the moon. So I want to discover different galaxies. You know, so far the scientists have discovered 50,000 galaxies in space, and we know only one galaxy, 9 planets, 1 star. We know this much only, but so far our scientists have discovered out of astronomical observation, they have discovered 50,000 galaxies. Which is how vast there is no limit to the space. You know, every time also this space is expanding. It's not constant in one place. Its peripheries are not constant in one place. Because of the universe, it's not universe, it's a universal. It's a verb. It's not a noun. Because we are lacking the words which are the universe, but actually it's universal. Means it is expanding every moment. In a single moment, it expands its peripheries lakhs of kilometers. It goes up lakhs of kilometers in 1 second. So it is the observation of the scientists that it's not constant every moment. It simply spreads. So that's the reason we as the human beings are responsible for to discover different spaces, different planets in the space. And that mentality has to be fed into the children. This is my request to the teachers that they have to create this kind of mind in the children so that when they grow up, they will act accordingly and they will not dream small because they have to. It's a big dream because today's thesis is little steps and big dream. So it is the biggest dream, so to say, to discover new steps, to discover new planets, to discover new galaxies. So, but they have to go little by little, every step, a little step. Every step has to be understood properly. Every step has to be understood fully, so that the day will come, they will be successful in their achievement. It's sure, but it's the duty of our teachers. Thank you then. So we have no time also.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words.
एक्साइटमेंट छोटा बच्चा हम सब है प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हंसते खेलते आज बढ़ने देश का नाम रोश करने
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଗୋଟିଏ କ୍ୟାଟରପିଲର ସମ୍ଭାଳୁଆ ପୋକର ପ୍ରଜାପତି ହେବାର କ୍ଷମତା ଥାଏ। ତେଣୁ ଜୀବନରେ କାହାରିକୁ ଛୋଟ ବୋଲି ଘୃଣା କରିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ। କାହିଁକି କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ଜିନିଷ ବିରାଟ ଜିନିଷର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଥାଏ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମର ଏଲ୍କେଜିର କୁନି କୁନି ଶିଶୁମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏକ ଚିତ୍ତାକର୍ଷକ ପରିବେଷଣ ପାଇଁ ଆମନ୍ତ୍ରିତ କରାଯାଉଛି। छोटा बच्चे जान के ना कोई आंख दिखेगा।
पुन्हा संगा मामावे गोदारी गट्टू मेरा राम सखावे गोरिका गट्टू पुन्हा संगा मामावे पूरता सूडू मुस्के तल्ली नित्तर पोयिंदे आरदारल्ली मेरकपोते हिंगा तुंदे ना गट्टू उन्ना ओके उक्का आर्दित्तुवे नीतोती नीता तुंदा आबादल गवरगी गट्टू कुंताए
गोदारी गट्टू मेरा राम सखावे की व्यक्ति किंच पुंडरी कुदरते
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होटो को करके गोल होटो को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होटो को करके गोल होटो को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल मुर्गी का जोड़े अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तबे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होट कमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज मैन अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन अरे चाचू ऑरेंज मैन अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन
Wow! Our student proves that with practice and confidence, little step turn into beautiful.
प्रकाश करिवार एक माध्यम मो जगह कालिगरे एक मधुर ओडिया गीत जहा हृदय को स्पर्श करे दर्शक बंधु आमे आगरे गान करिबा को जाउतंती कोली चात्री अनन्या सामल करताली माध्यम रे स्वागत जणाइबा
साड़ा ग्रामों बिछावे को छाड़ी रथरूढ़ है ऊंचे माँ करा श्री हरि मक्खे साड़ा ग्रामों बिछावे को छाड़ी
नमः जय जगन्नाथ।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। Respected chief guest, chief speaker, all the guests of honors, esteemed dignitaries, member of media, dear parents, teachers, and my dear student. A very good evening to everyone, those who are present here. It gives me great pleasure to present the annual report of Empower Public School, Gurandi, on the joyful occasion of our annual function and prize distribution ceremony. So, before representing this one, just I am narrating the history of this school. Already everybody knows, but it is my duty to again narrate in this platform. So, Empower Public School runs under Empower India Trust, which is registered at Bhubaneswar, and it is having different branches at different places like Gunapur, Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur, like that. Different branches are there, and some 13 small branches are there. Our aim is to give the affordable and quality education to every child. So we are trying in our level best to give the affordable as well as quality education. This EPS Gurandi branch has started in the academic year 2017-18. 17-18 academic year we have started our journey, this branch journey, and this school is recognized by Government of Odisha. So that means I can say we are running with some COR. This steady growth reflects our strong belief in education and our commitments to the saving young lives. Our chief speaker already told in this regard, so I am not going to tell more about how much struggle and how much from the struggle we have reached this position. Then this thought of this day, as rightly said, reach high for starlight hidden in our soul, dream deep for every dream leads to the goal. निज मनरे लुचिथिबा ताराको छुइया पई उच्च लक्ष्य रख, गभीर स्वप्न देख, कारण प्रत्येक स्वप्न लक्ष्य को नहीं जाए. So we have seen dream, and this dream reflects little step and big dreams. We often admire the beauty of a butterfly, but we forget the many changes it goes through the beautiful. It goes to become very beautiful. आमे साधारणतः प्रजापतिर सौंदर्य को देखी मोहित हेउ, किंतु सही सौंदर्य पाई ताहा केते परिवर्तन माध्यम रे आसी जाए ताहा भूली जाओ. से विभिन्न पदक्षेप, विभिन्न स्टेप, विभिन्न नंबर ऑफ स्टेप from the caterpillar to it reaches to and butterfly. In the same way, the changes and experience in our lives helps us grow better every day. Today's program reflects the journey of growth in a colorful and meaningful way. सेहीपरि आम जीवन अनुभव और परिवर्तन आमको प्रतिदिन भल मनीष भाव साहाय्य करे. आज कार्यक्रम से विकास यात्रा को सुंदर भाव में प्रतिफलित करियोछि. Then, on behalf of the management, staff, and student of Empower Public School, Gurandi, I extended a warm and respectful welcome to our chief guest, chief speaker, guest of honor, and all the invited dignitaries. I also welcome to our professionals, media representatives, and dear parents. We are truly thankful for your presence and support. Without your support, we are not able to reach such a position. I cannot say in the high position, but we have reached some certain position. Then regarding about our school, already I told. So Empower Public School Gurandi is one of the well-known school in this locality, not only for the academic excellence, but also its discipline and value as well as the culture. We strongly believe that education is not limited to textbook. Along with the academic, we focus on the building of good values, confidence, discipline and social responsibility in our students. I feel very proud to be associated with such a wonderful institution. So our school strength is in the academic year 2025-26. Our strength slowly growing because as you know after the COVID, Corona, lockdown and already our chief guest told from that time our position student was 120. So 122 it reduced to only 17. But now it is growing slowly and we may reach very shortly to the 100 position. So we are having the teaching staff of 10 plus 1 11 and 1 administrative staff plus multitasking staff is 1. So total we are having 13 staffs. Our vision is to make Empower Public School to one of the best school in this locality by providing all around education. We aim to develop students who are confident learners, responsible citizens, future leaders and with kindness and humanity. So we are teaching in such a way they should be a future leaders as well as kindness and humanity. That is the most important things. In Odia, one point is there. So like that. So we are making in such a way that students will be very kindness and humanity. Then the Teachers Empower program, we believe teachers are lifelong learners. To improve teaching skills and stay updated, our teachers are regularly attending different training program and workshop, that is through online or offline, something like that. These programs helps our teachers deliver the better education to our students. Then regarding the students' achievement, at Empower School Gurandi, we believe that every child has unique talent and potential. प्रत्येक शिशु अलग और विभिन्न प्रतिभार अधिकारी व प्रतिभाशाली. Our students are encouraged to participate in various activities and competition, not only within the school but also wider levels. Through these opportunities, students gain confidence and experience. So, apart from the academic program, we are involving with different co-curricular activities to support all-round of development. Many curricular co-curricular activities were organized, such as drawing competition, fancy dress competition, fast aid bags making, storytelling, singing competition, debate competition, self-governance day, grandparents day, etc. Both individual and group activities help students develop creativity, teamwork, and leadership skill. Then we are celebrating different programs at our school throughout the year. We celebrate and observe many important days and events, including International Yoga Day. You may see this, some photos are playing in the that projector. We are playing the photo. You can see the photos of this International Yoga Day, Raksha Bandhan celebration, Independence Day and Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day, Grandparents Day, Children's Day, Diwali, Christmas, Saraswati Puja, even Panamotsav. Then every day we are doing the assembly classes. With Saturday we are doing the drill. Then annual sports day, different competition like music day. Then Olympiad exam also there. Then apart from this, most important thing, we are regularly conducting parents-teacher meeting. These activities help to make learning joyful and meaningful. Then regarding student welfare program, as part of the commitment to inclusive education, the students provided fee concession of rupees 1,40,500 to BPL, disabled and needy students. To support, ensure that every child gets the opportunity to learn and grow. Then finally last but not least, conclusion I can say. Our constitution teacher used to be honest, kind, disciplined and responsible citizen. As the children are the future of India, we teach them to study well, respect the elder, this is the most important, help others and love our country, and can make India strong and beautiful. How India means first they will make this locality is strong and beautiful, then automatically it will reflect to the nation. We are reminded that small good action make a big difference, which is our, we can say our theme. To conclude, this academic year 2025-26 has been the year of learning, progress and achievement. I sincerely thank everyone who has contributed to the success of our school. Mainly, it is our pillars of the school, and these pillars are our teachers. Teachers are the pillar of our school, I can say. So that, and the students are the roof. Teachers are the pillar. I sincerely thanks to them also, and thank you and have a wonderful evening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Jagannath.